dine in Crumbs, elysee cafe. It's a French cafe. It's a really nice French cafe, as you can see. And today we're gonna order this smash me brownie. Let's go in and dine in Crumbs French cafe. So this is the smash me brownie, as you can see. So this is the vanilla ice cream on the top and the filling in the middle. So let's try this out. It's really nice with the fruits, berries and everything. So let's try it out. This is it. Let's try it. The vanilla ice cream is really nice, and so is the brownie. So yeah, let's try one of the cherries. Cherry time. Let's try another one. Yeah, I'm really bad at eating.